Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Rajnikant and today's video we're gonna see how to ignore null and empty values while serializing a Java object to JSON using JSON data binding API. Right? So suppose you do have a object having 10 attributes and out of 10 attributes, 2 attributes having value as a null. Right? So instead of keeping those null values in that JSON while serializing, so I just want to ignore, right? So how we'll do that one, or how we'll achieve that one, we're gonna see, right? Okay, so before proceeding to this session, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and hit the bell icon as well to get all the notifications from my side, right? So let's jump into this coding, right? So already I have a simple project, right? This is a Maven project, right? For JSON tutorial I have created, and here JSON data binding, this dependency I have added. This is simple one dependency, and I have created a channel class. This is the model class where channel means, suppose it's my YouTube channel, right? So what is the name of my YouTube channel and what is the category and how many subscribers do we have. Okay, let me suppose I have 1 million subscribers, right? But that is not the case. Definitely one day I will reach, no worries. Okay, and date created, right? So when this channel got created, that date, and here some constructors, parameterized constructor and getter setters and default constructors as well, right? And this is the main application where I am testing with some main method, right? So here I am setting the data, some simple date format. I am creating a date, and here I am creating a channel object, right? With new channel ch equal to new channel, passing the name, category, subscribers and date over here, right? Now I want to, what I want, suppose let's serialize this one first. Let's see how that output we are getting, right? So how to serialize that one? I do have a object mapper class and I am creating that object of this class, right? So in this line, if you see line number 22, I am creating this object mapper, right? Now with this mapper we can call one method called write value as a string, right? So this write value as a string convert this Java object, that channel object, to JSON string, right? Now let's run this one, right? Now see, channel name, category, subscribers, date created, right? All those attributes are coming over here. Okay, now let's skip something or provide something null. Okay, so instead of education null, let me provide null over here, right? So in the data I am setting channel name equal to Java Shastra and channel category I am providing null, right? Now let's run this one and we're gonna see how it's coming. Okay, so if you see, channel category is coming as a null, right? So but I do not want those key value pairs in the JSON, right? So in that in the serialized JSON I do not want those key pairs which value is null. I want to skip those things, right? So attributes whose value is null, I do not want to appear in that JSON, serialized JSON, right? So how I'll do that one? Simple one annotation is there, JSON include, JSON include, and I want to say include non-null. This indicates include those values whose value is non-null, means whatever those attributes are there whose values are not null, include those properties in the JSON, right? In the reverse case, if you will say do not include properties having null values, right? But this right? So this indicates this JSON include null. This indicates include JSON properties whose value is null, right? So now let's run this one. So earlier channel category was coming over here, right? Now let's run and we're gonna see. This channel category will skip, will not appear over here, this one. Just see, are you able to find this channel category? No, right? So in this way we can skip null values, right? Now let's see what is a empty. I mean, if you see this non-null, this is the enum, right? So if you see in that enum, lot of values are there, right? Always, non-null, non-absent, non-empty, non-default, custom, and use defaults, right? So always means always include those values. We do not want this one. Non-null is very important because sometimes we do not want to keep those null values in that JSON, and non-absent also like that, and non-empty. So non-empty indicates, okay, let me show you that one. So non-absent. So non-absent indicates no null values including in that content, and other like optional. If optional also there and its value is null, then also it will skip. And non-empty, this indicates no null values plus non-absent plus values like empty collection and arrays and string excluded, right? Suppose I do have a string name equal to this is, right? Suppose empty string, and this is also it will going to skip, right? And empty map, array, and list, that one also will gonna skip. Now let's put this empty, and we'll try skipping some empty values, right? Now we'll do that one. So before that one, let me keep some empty value, right? Then only what empty value will give. Okay, name I am keeping something empty, right? Name I am keeping empty. Now let's run this one, and we're gonna see this empty value appearing in the JSON. Let's run this one. Okay, so just see, channel name it's coming as empty. Now let's, instead of non-null, we'll use non-empty. Non-empty indicates both null and empty values it will gonna skip, both null and empty values, right? Now let's run and we're gonna see. I'm running this one. Let's see whether it's able to skip or not. Okay, empty means I guess not this one, my bad. Where is this one? Like this. Let's run this one, right? Now let's run and we're gonna see how it is coming. Just see, the name, the channel name is got skipped now, right? So like this we can skip null values as well as empty thing, right? So we can apply into what is that, empty collection or empty map, empty list, and empty array as well, right? So hope you got a clear picture that how we can exclude or how we can skip those null and empty values in that JSON output during serialization, right? So if you like this video, please comment and share, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, right? So if you want any specific topic, then let me know in the comment section, and definitely I will upload those videos as well, right? So thank you for watching.